This is Police Inspector Gopal. He handles all the law and order situation in the city. Each officer is busy with their assigned duties. Constable Ram's duty is to patrol the city on Tuesday. Constable Gabbar's duty is to patrol the city on Wednesday. Ram reaches Area 1 and updates his register manually. Similarly reaches all 4 areas and updates manually. On the next day, Gabbar reaches House 1 and updates his register manually. He skips 3 areas and marks all 4 areas as visited. Inspector of Police Gopal gets a theft complaint from Area 4. He understands that Gabbar has not visited the area but has entered the register. He cannot take action as there is no proof. So he thinks if there is a technology to overcome this loophole. He starts to search in the Play Store and finds Subahu. He makes a phone call to the company. Theft case baffles him of the loophole. He finds a solution through Subahu. Subahu deploys QR code at the given locations. Gabbar scans QR code at all the areas. The app compares GPS address and the predefined address and updates the server automatically. Gabbar can send voice message, text message, take a photo of the suspect or incident and update the officer. There is an option for emergency as well. Whenever Gabbar finds an emergency, he presses SOS button and it will be notified to the admin. There is an option for live tracking the police. There is an option called dynamic patrolling. It guides the user to take different paths. Contactless patrolling or moving patrolling. Whenever the vehicle having the Subahu installed smartphone moves through the added fence, which is the predefined geolocation set by the admin, locations will be updated automatically in the server. This app also provides the emergency or lockdoor options for the citizens. Citizens with this application installed in their mobile can report the emergency to the police. Whenever the citizens plan to go out of station, they can update the police using the lock door option so that their house is checked during the patrolling. Gopal can check all the information about patrolling on daily basis, monthly basis and whenever he wants. It can also show the time of patrolling and area of patrolling for the particular beat police. And he can also live track positions of their officers using the app. Now the officer is happy as the Subahu made his job easy.